Welcome to session 5 on recycling and recording memory. Let's start with a memory test. Please prepare a pen and a piece of paper, but do not touch them until you are allowed to do so. Now I'll read out a list of words and you will try to remember them, but you cannot write anything down while you are listening to them. Okay? Ready? Listen. Phone, horse, apple, cat, ball, school, pineapple, Lady Gaga, lemon, mouse, fog, tennis, orange, pear, fog, melon, dog, suitcase. Now you have 1 minute to write down individually any words you remember. Please draw a line under the last word you have written. This will help to see which words you remembered after the first reading. And this time, you will listen to the same words, but I will show you some pictures. Please, again, do not write down anything. Okay, let's start. Phone, horse, apple, cat, ball, school, pineapple, Lady Gaga, lemon, mouse, fog, tennis, orange, pear, fog, melon, dog, suitcase. Please look at your list and listen to the rest of the presentation. Can you please look at the list? Have you written down the following words? Why? Would you like to hear why? Let me explain why each case is significant in terms of how memory works. Okay. You probably have suitcase, the last word in the list, and phone is the first word in the list. Lady Gaga is unusual and out of the ordinary. 2 or more types of fruit or animals consecutively. One word in a group helps us remember the other groups or the other items in the same group. You probably remember pear. See, it is the last point. Fog, the only word that is repeated. Fog rhymes with dog, that's why you remember that too. Cat, mouse, dog, they are all animals that have some kind of opposite meaning to us. And tennis, dog, horse, if you particularly like or dislike any of these in the list, you will remember them. So there are many explanations like this. So what does this test show us? And what is the role of pictures in retention and memory learning? It shows us that we remember more words when we see the pictures, because the mental images system, in other words, the imaging system, has superior memory to verbal entities or chunks. Another one is representing ideas in both systems is superior to representing ideas in only one system. Picture memory is superior because whenever we see a picture, we also represent that picture verbally. However, when we see a word, we do not always form a mental image of the word. Even this small test shows us that understanding how memory works is important for learning and teaching vocabulary. So here is a task for you, the self-reflection task to write in your journal. Please consider, what does this test show about learning and teaching vocabulary? And how can teachers help aid memory? Please write your notes in your vocabulary journal and please try to renew them during the session. Thank you so much.